Let's do it. Open Fortnite. Let me roll to gamers. If you're super excited about this video, drop a big thumbs up right now, because we are.
Alright, so once I've pressed Battle Royale, and I press play.
Just do it already, bro. It's opening up.
Do
You
it!
should see the Wildcat skin the moment we launch it. Yeah, better. Where is it? Where you at?
Right there. The Wildcat skin.
And only wild. Yo. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh my
Hi,
God.
Auntie Angeline. Say hello.
It's a beautiful skin.
Say my name is Auntie Le.
And I have blueprint.
Yo, Roll to Gamers.
Say hello.
What do you guys think about the skin? Do you guys like it? And if you do like it, comment down 1,
Hello.
2, or 3. Which one should we play with? Show them the options again. This is option number 1. Okay.
Auntie Le.
Option number 2 is
Auntie
that
Angeline
one right
is
there.
watching
Okay,
us.
cool. And option number 3 is this. Which one do you guys like? Comment down below.
Sing.
I want to know.
3.
Wow, nyawenya, oh, dawa,
Alright, let's go play. It's gameplay time. Let's go. Just be medals. We're coming. So guys, try to land right next to your shop.
I should go right there, but there's not going to be any people. So
Hello, my
I'm
baby.
there, please.
Deben.
What do you think? That's
Ah,
right.
takaneta.
Okay, go ahead. Treasure.
Yes, baby, you can get us a good
Intaka again right now.
There's a treasure
Nice.
chest.
Bezulu takara sabunje.
There we go. A better one of what I just
Chafura. Chunu chacha cheku bedroom. Mubeda. Ah, takazvirasa isu.
Let's go. First kill with the Wildcat skin.
Tasara tutu.
What happened? Bro, there's someone shooting at you.
Okay, this
Hold on.
one's actually pretty good.
Alright. Bro, cover yourself.
Chelo.
Oh, she's moving
So we have a
quick.
story to tell you guys.
There's 3 people. Yo.
I'm gonna say, this is my little side hustle. My sister's son. He comes every single day, and I look after him from 6 in the morning till 6 in the evening. Say, I've got my hands full every single day.
Get there before him.
Ndosaka ndisinga chabatiki. No touching my mouth. No.
There
No.
it is.
No.
Treasure chest. Open it up.
No.
You know what? I'll take it. I'll take it.
No.
Alright, guys, so we're about to enter this house.
No.
I'm not sure if anybody is in here, but we'll have to check. I don't see anybody.
No.
Tell me if you see anybody.
No.
Okay?
Walk around 3.
Say hello,
I saw
everybody.
somebody in the house. He's gonna end up.
Tindans in Dindi.
Whoa, somebody behind me. Whoa.
So, yeah.
Oh my God.
I work from home,
Behind you.
Yeah.
and while I'm working from home,
He's right there. Shooting me.
I've got 2 boys to look after. What happened to Sethi's one now? Now you people are going to be fighting.
Let's go. Oh, you're
I
low.
work from home.
Where you're low.
I do have somebody that helps me with the kids, though.
I'm telling you.
I don't have any meds.
Alright, guys, round 3.
That's why in Singa Jabatigi,
Looking for a treasure
my
box.
lifestyle has
There
changed.
it is. Get it.
Auntie bullet out that
Alright, there you go. Around you.
akusikudada
Somebody just.
ndakanzwa vanhu vachinditaura kuti makushaina amubatiki. I've got family responsibilities. This little one keeps me busy, and at the end of the day, family comes first. I can't be found going around the world. Besides, there's COVID. The kids need my attention from morning. Imagine it's at 6 marks energy. That's 6 o'clock. Abachiri busy kurungusha. Chiburuga. Stop it. Say bye bye. At 6 marks energy kumanachi. Toswera nacho. Shishungundi munjurudza. Say bye bye. Say bye. Say bye bye, papito. Bye bye. Say bye. Say bye, everybody. Say bye, everybody. We just wanted to say hi. Say bye. Tete Jester Murze. Say bye bye. Tindinoenda 6 inini ndoswera namama kusvika manheru na 7 mama vanenge Saka sometimes when you guys call, I'm not available because I'm busy. Nemana. You are ignoring my calls. Why would I be ignoring your calls? Busy. Muti nyorere kurera mwana nekutengesa nekuita sei. Baba. Say baba ignewan. Tite reportage. Say baba. Iwe. Askuda. White up people can walk no. Smelling. Smelling. Ndiriboje say my mwana. Mwana ona. Ndewe sister yangu tete Jester. Ndewe mningi wangu anonditevera. Anonzi mai Bianca. Ndewe sister yangu. Saka sister yangu lives down the road. Saka samai guru, I don't have a choice. Chero ndichida. Inini basa rangu I can work from home. Iko shino office akavaraga. So I work from home with the kids. I don't go to the office anymore. Let's show them mommy's space. I'm gonna how upside down my house is. My house is like upside down because of the boys. And I'm not even embarrassed. And that's my little office. Sasha otora mana tukadzira ningirikini porridge yake unone damage yawo ma slippers ari mu wardrobe mine ndakakanga mautenga sunlight liquid chipisi chochi chasarachi apo makapa acho ngawo andiyeni tie mazioni uche mama nini. You don't know my name. You don't know my name. My name comes to help me with the house cleaning twice a week. Let me change his pamper. Chinyarara. Manje nasi toda kubuda unusarana mai nini uchungo jamba kudaro. Nema, sindio nereo mashura.
He only loves you. Dile only loves you.
Bring the baby's pampers. Bring the baby's pampers. You must now learn to nigirikini to wipe your bum.
When I was calling everybody, you're not answering, and I just get off the.
But wardrobe, man. Come, you give me the baby's wet wipes. My way. Moto ndipa mari yangu maini. Chiovhurika bata kumusoro. Pane chipini. Pakatanga baba. Moto ndipa mari yangu maini. Mari yangu iri kwamuri yatowandisa. Yawandisa. Mari yangu iri kwamuri maini ni yawandisa. Sasha, give me the baby wipes. Musuya pa makandibvunza kuti kwechi muchachikaseka. Give me the wipes in there. Ndandiri kufunga katatu. Nezuro mabibi. Nezuro mabibi wakazoti mupa manyanya mwana ari kukambaira ani kirikini. Rasa chuni jo ari kushaya space. Apo mbeda ndasi kambofungidzira kuti ndirikini pakauya makarati nezvino ndikauya pane chimwe chimukarati chinogarapo netafura yeye handiende ruguma mwana maningi anga ane mbonji mai acho achikumbira kuti mwana ane mbonji netafura ndikati iwe murungu ari kukomborena rekaendishirasi. Can you put the baby's pamper in the bin? Say hello, Angela. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Chimira, say hello. Ana basa shakakaipa katuku. Yeah, sakara ofuti kubva kare. All right, let me get done. So this is my day schedule. I've got little Bobo, like my little sister's son, that comes every single day from 6 in the morning until in the evening. Cheetah so. Oh. It is so. 6 in the evening. There we go. Did you see that I bought you lots and lots of lots? Sasha, bring my other phone. It's ringing, Manangu, please. Say hello. Come. Shakuzizira kufamba. Come. Asuda famba nazi. Eh? The iPhone is ringing now. The phone diverted. Hurry up, Manam. Hello? Yes, Nyari. Uri same mzukuru wangu. Wari zvavo? Kunetswa nei, handi tiri pabasa here.
What's another boy?
Martin?
Andy.
Mama muchida kutora nyaya dzeikona ivedwe.
I left my stuff in the toilet.
Kuti mubhuke appointment.
Andy.
Amuna bethi munhu andinoziva ka anotemesa musoro wemaiwe. Anotemesa musoro, anobudisa hake but anotemesa musoro ndewe kutongiringisha naye ari kuHarare.
You can go party.
Imimi bethi renyu indoriri handwritten.
That's why Angela's gonna go.
Saka vakaramba kuembassy.
Yeti. This is like a mini thing. Yeti, Kata. I dare that. I mean it. I'm gonna put that in the toilet. I'm gonna put that in the toilet. I'll leave it there. You can make a poo here. Huh? Huh? You're gonna make a poo here. No? No. I can make a poo right here next to here. And for Angela to sit down.
That's a toilet seat. It must be underneath there when he starts potty training. Nay. And
then he starts floating, training, and he starts kicking. And then I start. Oh. I know where we can keep.
So, Saka, you need to apply for a computerized birth certificate. Vanoda kuti muite a better computerized birth.
No, I almost made it under the top.
You don't need to go back. It's fine. If the birth certificate is just like that, it's okay. You don't need to go back. So in what I'll do, I'll find out from somebody from Makombe if they can apply, if we can do a change of the birth certificate to get a computerized one. Obviously, it has to be applied for because a lot of people now have computerized birth certificates.
Bobby, catch up! When you wanna hit the bed.
Alright, Saka mira nditaura naye munhu wacho kuHarare and then I'll come back to you. Anomuziva kuti vanhu vacho vanoda mari. Everything is money. Alright. Hanzi iko na BMK. Aha. Iwe BMK iwe musoro bhangu. Ngoti ziguma. Ndisitori kubasa kudai. Ndauya. Hello, Mazri. How are you?
Again.
So this is my daily schedule.
Only one price.
Next week, 19 is school run plus baby. Dona moto.
Whoa.
Baby comes at 6 o'clock and leaves at 6:30. Apart from that, I've also got house chores to do and my work. So guys, I'm not available. I'm always at home. Where am I? They are the little zebras. And this one is a pig. Chinguru chiumbai. Sakan batiki guys. Can I move phone yangu, please. My other phone, please give me my phone. And pick up your phone there. Did you see that the baby dropped it?
Yeah. No.
You should come to Cape Town when it's fine, fam. Please, we'd love to eat your money. This is not specialize in money. That's why I like to pick up the Andile. That's your problem. You start pulling things down. No, I'm going to move that table if he's like that. I am a Bora Kasarab. Say, play with the balls. Go and put the lights on the charger, Sasha.
It's like this on.
It's switch it off, God. That one you don't need to charge it. It's got batteries. Mazano kuno kune load shedding. That's my little guinea pig. That's my little piggy. So Mazano, I'm very busy. I was in California, in Cape Town. Hi Doreen. You were in California. I would love to go to America one day. Only in the summer, not when it's cold. Hi, Dory.
Whoa!
Yes. He
was standing while eating.
Yes, now he's learning how to stand. She's going to go crazy with the balls that we bought. So this is what I spend my day doing, guys. And Shabatiki. I've cut down on drinking alcohol because I'm now a full-time mother. I don't party anymore because there's COVID. Thank God for COVID. I don't party anymore. I just work and play with my kids. Life goes on. And I mind my own business. I stay in my lane. I keep to myself. And I don't need. This gumbo, put it in the bin. And the bicycle caps, where are they supposed to stay?
Up here.
Huh? ndirikumba zvangu ndichitamba nevana vangu.
Want to play with the bin?
Zvinhu zvakawanda mazuva ano. I don't have time for that. Where are you going, you?
Oh! Papa, it's night time.
Take them, Tyro.
Papa, you have to...
Say bye-bye. Say bye to
Papa,
everybody.
you have to throw the
Say
box
bye-bye.
coming
Say
out.
bye-bye, Ndindi.
I can do this now. You
Right.
have to do that to me.
Vaya vanoda zvekuziva ziva stereki maziva ga kuti ndini ndiri pai. Hakuna kwandamboenda. This is my dining room. Check it out. Yeah. So don't come to my house unannounced. Please. Don't come to my house unannounced. It's an appointment. What's wrong now? What's wrong now? No.
So we have 2 more, guys. 2 more. So what are your top
Say cheese.
skins in Fortnite?
Say cheese.
This one, the R
Say cheese.
the Ghostbuster skin.
Say cheese.
I had to actually return the blue skin.
Say cheese. This is the love of my life.
The girl football skin.
My little boss. Say cheese to everybody. Say hello, everybody.
I returned that.
Say y'all, what's up?
And that is
Say what's up, guys. How y'all doing?
Hold on. Before we do this, what do you guys think is his #1 skin? What do you think Farah's #1 skin is in Fortnite?
He's
For you guys to comment down
He's my sister's son. No.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Sasha, please come and take the tomato sauce and put it in the fridge.
Like a little bit of a hint. Light green. Alright, so light green is the hint. Do you guys know the answer yet? What is Farah's favorite skin? #1 skin, guys. Alright. Say no more. Go for it. What?
My favorite skin.
Fambaton. Fambaton.
Hero.
It says rare outfit. What does that mean?
I know, well, no, it depends. Like, that's rare.
Okay.
Oh,
That's really your favorite skin? It is pretty cool. Alright, guys. Now,
give me that. Give me that. Give me that. That's mine.
how long it takes him to get the first kill. Do you guys think he's gonna do it within 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes? Let's see how good you are with
I
this
mean,
skin.
I know. Hold on, let me
Let's see how good you are with this skin, bro.
Okay, I gotta go, guys. I got work to do.
Almost there, guys. Let's go.
Got work to do.
We love you.
I'm gonna talk to you later. Chi. This is my little space where I do my office work. Ndakueda one where you didn't accept your bangu. What the F? Buda udzoke apasina a green button bauri. Ne, uri kuti kwaendaisa edit. Buda udzoke. I added you didn't accept.
The moment you land, bro, I'm pressing this. Boom. That's it.
You know, we forgot these papers at my baby's house yesterday. Baba baby brought them in the morning. And he brought the baby. Don't eat my khakis. Play with this one. Oh. Ma? However, I'm kune front kune coastal rain. Ndakaona 2 days ago. I'm kune coastal rain. Cape Town is also affected. Kune ma waves aruda kuya. Saka makurachi, I think they my waves were.
Last run, and it's over.
I bet. I'm going lazy lake, guys. I am going lazy lake, right? I love lazy lake.
Let's do this. Alright. This time, I feel like you're not gonna kill someone within a minute.
Wantuka shamwa lusandaro. Unyadzisa. Azuchi urichimedza uptake. Oh my god. I gotta put you down. Say bye bye to everybody. Say mama has to take her shift now. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Ndakueda tun. Abantu you don't want to come. Nay. Phone yako I think yakafaka not phone yangu ndoisiri kuda kueda. These days I forget stuff, you know. I have to read my diary to see what I phone yako. What my diary is saying. Today. Say bye bye to everybody. I know kuya kwangu. Ndiri kueda one sec. I think maybe it's my phone network yangu. Sisikatoshandisa data. Tina Wi-Fi seyo zvamunenge muina zvokumba kwenyu. Return books for primary school. Take Sasha to school. Collect stamp at Paro. I collected the stamp. Stationery list that must be bought. And then I must send that email. Baby boy language. Naye Andile, look at what you're doing. You're bringing my papers down. Dosa kanchizo kudzinga. Nay. Arukuwara nyura mapepa angu. Sasha, come and take your brother. Nay. Anga uya uchiwara wadzira mapepa angu. Chenda na Sasha. Nay. He's like bringing all of my papers down. That's why I don't want him in my study. He's fighting me. Bringing all my papers down. And Dad, I don't get them in order. Guys, me, I gotta love you and leave you. I got work to do. Thanks for joining me. Thank you for coming to the live. I'm the Chigo. Kaini bweta shimano wangu.